Hi, my name's Katie Parlett and I'm from Lighthouse Futures Trust. We're a charity based in Leeds and we work with young people getting them into employment. The young people that we work with have an autistic spectrum condition or a learning disability, but they're absolutely appropriate for the workforce.
We identified a bit of a gap because the young people that the Lighthouse Futures Trust were working with were incredibly talented, but they didn't have the relevant coding skills that the market was looking for.
At which point Holly made the introduction with the Lighthouse Trust and with the Tech Academy, and we already had the infrastructure and the technical content in place to help.
Some of the basics with using Ruby and stuff to sort of create different games and stuff, which has been quite interesting.
You know, we were like creating, games like, for example, numbers, hangman. Yesterday we did noughts and crosses.
It's quite easy to get into.
So if you see it for the first time, you think, I have no idea what any of that means, but sort of the further into it you get, the more you sort of go, oh no, this works now.
It's complex, but it's really cool.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd be able to actually keep up, and I didn't think I'd be able to actually do any of the code, but Tom's very good at teaching us.
It wasn't like I've actually known a lot of things before. This course has it has expanded my knowledge quite a bit, actually.
They don't seem to be too busy to help you either. If you're lost, you can just tap someone on the shoulder.
More of a family feeling, more of a everyone's team together.
Sort of not having done much computing work before, and it was sort of seeing all the stuff that obviously my brother and my dad do, it's sort of, that looks very difficult to remember, and then you sort of, the more you get going, it's sort of surprising how sort of, oh, I can do that now.
I just want to keep on learning and to keep growing and keep developing these new skills, because I want to I want to use them, in the hoping of getting myself into employment.
I think initiatives such as this give us a chance to tap into our diverse pool of skills and knowledge and experience, and they allow us to share them with underrepresented groups in our community. And as an organisation, we place a lot of value on being able to share with those groups.
It's definitely something that we want to build upon in the future. This is definitely just the beginning for us.
Hopefully this initiative will inspire our employees to think differently about how they want to hire and work with different people in the future.
Absolutely. We know that there's a technical skills shortage, and we need to be more innovative and proactive about how we really provide a solution to that.
It's just been amazing to have them working with us.